Hi, I'm Bhakti. I'm the buyer for LOV. And as we're progressing in winter, I would like to take you through some of the key winter trends. One of the key winter trends is these flared bottoms, like the one I'm wearing. And for top wear, it's predominantly knitwear in light and heavy weight. So I'm going to take you through some of the styles. Also, what is key for this winter is big sleeves, it's fancy ribs and fancy yarns. But this time we have knitwear with the twist. I'm going to take you through some of the styles. The first style here is this cute bomber jacket with a zip detail in the front. So you can wear it over a t-shirt, layer it, or wear it just like that over a pair of denims. The next style here is a cutout detail. Like you all know, cutout is very big. We'll also see it across t-shirts. So we have an option of a cutout in a knitwear option as well. The next option is this cute crop sweater which has this fancy rib detail. Like you can see different textures on the body, different textures on the sleeve, and we have this cute tie-up detail on the sleeve. Moving on to the other piece, we have this pristine white easy sweater with a fancy rib and a fringe detail. So the key trend is different textures across winter wear. The other option that we have is this basic sweater in a neutral monochrome color with a big sleeve detail with a fancy yarn again. One of the key fabrics for this winter is this hairy yarn, which is very comforting on the skin. So we have a fashion silhouette here. We have an off-shoulder option in a white that you can wear over a pair of denims or skirts or as you wish. Another key trend for winter is turtleneck. So we have this turtleneck poncho that you can again wear over a pair of denims or team it over a t-shirt. Another important silhouette that we're trying for this season is this turtleneck dress that you can wear over leggings when you want to step out. Also speaking of winter wear, I think no look is complete without layering. So taking you through the important must-haves for this season is this option in a biker chic in a leather. You have another option of a biker chic jacket in suede like the one I'm wearing. Another must-have for this season is this beautiful khaki jacket in suede which has a tie-up detail that you can again wear a t-shirt under and pair it over a pair of denims. All these looks we can complete with these amazing range of loafers which we have in multiple colors. We have it in a sunrise yellow, a sage green and dusty pink. Since I've been talking about winter wear all along, it's very important to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, and wearing a mask all day is definitely taking a toll on our lips. So my absolute personal favorites are this lip balm from Studio West, and my favorite fragrance is Her Truth from Studio West, which I never leave the house without. You can get all these looks and more at the Westside store near you and online.